Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I shall show you how to draw scatter plot on SPSS. Scatter plot is used to compare between two numerical variables. That is, whether there is any relationship between two variables. With the increase of one variable, whether other variable increases or decreases or not, the scatter plot gives us an idea about this. We know that we can draw scatter plot for comparing between two numerical variables only. The screen you can see right now is the SPSS data editor screen. SPSS has different types of window: data editor, variable viewer, index editor, etc. So this is data editor screen. Data editor screen has different tabs: data view, variable view and overview. So in variable view, you can name the variables, the type, you can define the type, width, etc. and measure of the variable, whether the variable is nominal, whether it is numerical, that is scale variable, or ordinal variable. In data view, you can see the data, you can enter the data. Okay, and overview gives us an overall idea about the variables, how many variables are there in your data, how many nominal, how many numerical variables are there, and how many data points are there, that is how many cases are there. So as we know that for scatter plot we need two numerical variables. So here we can see that the first is person, first variable is person, which is a nominal variable. See the three circles which shows the symbol of nominal variable, so we cannot use that. Second one is salary and the measure is scale. Okay, so this is a numeric variable and the measure is scale, so you can use this one. And also the third one, GPA, which is also a numeric variable and the measure is scale. And the fourth one is measure, which is again nominal measure, and gender nominal measure, and GRE verbal is again a numeric variable but the measure is scale. So there are three variables which we can use for scatter plot, and for scatter plot we need to compare between two variables. Okay, so for this we go to graph tab. Okay, and from this drop down menu you select scatter. Okay, and if first let us select the simple scatter. Now there are two variables we have to compare. Okay, suppose we compare between the GRE verbal score and the salary. Okay, whether salary and GRE verbal score has any relationship or not. Okay, so for x-axis suppose we select the GRE verbal score and the starting salary as the y-axis. If we press OK, so this is the output viewer window which gives us a scatter plot. Now the scatter plot, you can see that in x-axis this is GRE verbal, in y-axis this is the starting salary, and the plots are those scattered but they are showing a certain pattern. As we are going to the right side of this GRE verbal, that is x-axis, the dots are going upwards, that is the starting salary is increasing. So as the GRE verbal increasing, the starting salary is also increasing. So we can say that there is some linear positive relationship between GRE verbal score and starting salary. Now I shall show you another method to draw scatter plot. We go to graph and then we go to chart builder. Okay, so when you select the chart builder, this dialog box will appear. It will ask you whether you have defined all the variables, that is define the measure of all the variables, and if the variables are categorical, whether you have defined the labels. Okay, I have already done this, so I will go to OK. If you have not defined all the measure of the variables, see I have defined, so all the symbols are showing. And also for categorical variable like measure and gender, I have given numbers according to them. For arts and science, education and business, I have given the three numbers 1, 2, 3, and for male and female I have defined male as 0 and female as 1. So value labels are also given. So I'll go to OK. If not, I'll go to define variable properties. Okay. Then from this gallery, I have to select which type of chart I want to show. So scatter dot. So I will select the simple scatter dot and I will drag it here. Okay, and then for x-axis I want this GPA, and for y-axis I want this starting salary. Now why this chart builder form? Okay, this chart builder form, with the help of chart builder form, if you draw the graphs, it gives more professional looking graphs. Okay, suppose this title is given scatter plot of starting salary by GPA. You can add title, you can remove title, or you can customize title. Suppose I want to give another title to it. So I go to I select title, I go to element properties, and then I from automatic title I want to give the customized title. So I can type another title name and I can give the title according to my choice. I can add footnote, I can remove footnote. Okay, so if I press, this is the output viewer window where we can see the scatter plot. I have customized the title and named it as starting salary by GPA. Okay, and GPA is showing along the x-axis and starting salary is showing y-axis. So these are the two methods by which you can draw scatter plot in SPSS. Okay, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.